Welcome back to my channel. Okay, on the agenda today is cooking with me. Okay, so it was always my intention at some point to bring in food on my channel, but I didn't know exactly how I wanted to do it. I didn't know when I wanted to start, but I guess today's the day. On the menu today it's supposed to be soup, cheddar broccoli soup, only because I had it for the first time not too long ago. I think I had it maybe on Christmas Eve. I love the soup. It was so good to me, so I was just like, oh my gosh, I want it again. But I just made my resolution list, and I was just like, I don't want to spend money if I already had, if I can cook it in my own home, you know. So I figured, why not save a little money, make it at home. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop with this intro and make my way into the kitchen so we can go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so according to this recipe I found on Pinterest, the ingredients are gonna be butter, onion. They said half and half, but I could only find this. The broccoli, the cheddar cheese, chicken stock, carrots, nutmeg. I didn't know you was gonna need that, but nutmeg, salt, pepper. So I'm just gonna get into chopping up these things, and yeah. So since the onions are back there doing its thing, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this piece of broccoli, chop it up, and we're gonna keep this thing going. So like this recipe pretty much calls for just salt and pepper. We're gonna see how that goes, because I will throw in whatever I want, you know, season to taste, but it says just salt and pepper. It's kind of boring, but it tastes really good. So if it comes out tasting just like Panera Bread, then I'll be like, okay. But if it doesn't, I'm gonna hit up that seasoning cabinet. Alright, and in the meantime, I'm gonna wash these dishes because I'm not gonna do it after. So I'm gonna do that now. Time to add the cheese. I'm gonna add a little salt, pepper, and nutmeg. They really want nutmeg in here? Alright, well, we're gonna see. You guys, I don't think it needs anything else but just meat. I'm gonna add one more little thing in there, and that's this. Oh, this cornmeal. I don't know if you can you see that? Oh, can you focus here instead? Yeah. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of this. It doesn't need it. I feel like it tastes good the way it is. It tastes good the way it is, but I just there's like a certain like a twang, you know? Oh, yeah, see? I already know it's good because I tried it already. That recipe, I'm gonna link it down below so you guys know which one I'm talking about. Only add like one little thing different. Yeah, but hold on. If I just happen to be like in the area of Panera Bread and I crave it at that time, then maybe I'll pick it up. But for the most part, I can make this by myself. There's nothing to it. If I was to rate this on a scale of like 1 to 10, being 1 being the easiest to cook, which in my head is like tilapia and pasta, which is like a 1.5. It's that easy. Thanks you guys for cooking with me, and I will see you in my next video.